Preparing your injection molding simulations is now faster and more intuitive in SOLIDWORKS Plastics 2020. You can now define more setup criteria and parameters directly to the 3D model without the need to first mesh any geometry. Domains define the physical elements of your design and are used by SOLIDWORKS Plastics to define what to simulate on each component. You can now simply right-click and define these domains from the plastics study prior to meshing any of the geometry. Likewise, boundary conditions define the functional parameters of your simulation, such as the clamp force of the mold, the injection location into your cavities including plastic flow rates, and the cooling inputs and outputs. Just like these domains, these boundary conditions can now be applied directly to the three-dimensional model without the need to first mesh any of the geometry. This saves you time in setting up your plastics simulations and also allows the domains and boundary conditions to update when changes are made to the 3D model.